here at Laredo, Texas. Laredo, Texas. Oh shit. We're here at Laredo, Texas. Laredo, Texas. Oh shit. Laredo, Texas Pistol and Gun Club, guys. We are here getting some rounds in. We're gonna shoot some shotty, some 12 gauge. We're gonna shoot some 9mm, and we're also gonna shoot some AR. Here with my boy God's Reaper. What's up, baby? Lucid Dreams over there, and Robbie Hood Warrior, guys. We're about to get ready, shoot some rounds. We're gonna shoot some shotty, walk the pistol, and then we're gonna shoot some AR-15, guys. So get ready for that. What you think about it, bro?
Second time.
Second time, okay.
A lot more recoil than an AR-15, that's for sure.
For sure. For sure. All right, who's next? Who's gonna use my gun? All right, guys. So I'm gonna show you how to properly reload a shotty. You're gonna make sure you pull the slide back. You're gonna load one in the chamber. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Safety on. Bitch is ready. Woo! Oh, you hitting target, bro? Let's go. Good shit. Yeah, you hit all targets, baby. Let's go. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm sorry about the wind, guys. I'm really sorry about the wind, but I'm gonna go ahead and take some shots. My boy Reaper's gonna record real quick. Hold on. Ready, fam? Ready, sir. So this is how it would look like if we were burglarized and me and Lucid Dreams were in the same house, bro. Check this out, guys. We got ammo for days, baby. Ammo for days. Ammo for days. It's Robbie Hood's and God's Reaper turn to shoot. So let's see how they do. Yikes. Let's go, God's Reaper, baby. Get it. This is Lucid Dreams gun. Hit. 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 Let's go, baby. More power, baby. More power, baby. I love this range, guys. You get help out here. If you don't know about guns, they'll be out here. They'll help you. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you, bro. That worked? Oh, shit. I love my boys, guys, being so helpful. Helping a friend out. We're going to help each other out, bro. Guess who just pulled up, baby? We got Robbie Rob. Let's get to shooting. We're out here, guys. Everyone's out here. Lucid Dreams recording a vid too, beauty.
How you doing today, Papa?
Looking good, dog.
Let's go, dude. All right, guys, let's go see what toys Rob has. Oh yeah,
The Mossberg.
got the Mossberg, baby.
26 and the Glock 17.
Shit! Look at this bad bitch, bro.
This is what they're used for, anything like that.
Bro, those motherfuckers pack a bigger gunpowder.
That's what they have in there, dude.
That's how everybody get out of range.
Sheesh.
3, 2, 1.
Holy shit. Doggy, doggy, look at what you think, bro.
2, 1.
Ah, let's go, baby.
Few moments later.
All right, guys, so I guess we're done with the shotty. What do you guys think? You guys want to move on?
Baby. What you think, baby? What you think?
Oh, let me see that. Let me see everyone's mark, bro. I want to see everyone's mark. Everyone's virgin mark. Good, good, good. You got one? You got one? Oh, you still got one. Ray. Oh, holy shit, Rob. Let me see your shit. Nice, nice. You got some red in there. I got some red there too, bro.
You see?
Oh shit! Fuck yeah, I got some red in. Good shit. All right, man. So we're gonna go. We shot 12 gauges. We're gonna shoot 9mm for now, and then we're gonna move on to AR, guys. So it's a beautiful day out here. So we're gonna go ahead and move on and drive our cars over there down the range. We're gonna shoot the 9mm over there, and then we're gonna move on a little bit further and shoot the AR-15. So yeah, guys, let's go ahead and drive our way there.
20 minutes later.
The guys are setting up the targets, and just gonna go get my car. This is where we at. You shoot shotties over here, any 12 gauge, 20 gauge. We shoot 9mm over here, 40mm, and then we move on to, I think that's 100 yards. You can shoot an AR from there, and then that's the one all the way over there is 200 yards. You can shoot 308s, you name it, baby. 30 on 6, anything you want. Once again, guys, Laredo Rifle and Pistol Club. It's right in front of Live Downs. So whenever you guys are in the area, Laredo, Texas.
Few moments later.
What is this? What Glock is this?
It's a Glock 26.
Glock 26. FNS 9, guys. This is FNS 9. We're gonna go ahead and shoot 2 shots at a target, see who gets the closest, and then we'll move on from there. And we're gonna go for headshots, guys. So let's see who gets a headshot first.
Should I go first or what?
Let's go.
Headshot. Okay. Artery shot.
You are, baby. Oh. 2 shots. No, that's not you. That's not you, bitch. Here. Look. This is Rob's. Rob got 2 hits. He got this one and this one.
Okay.
I got this one and this one. I don't know what the fuck Ray hit.
Ray either got that one and this one.
Got this one and this one.
Good shit. Good shit. Let's go.
Point them.
All right, we got God's Reaper. Trying to hit his 2 best shots. Shooter ready. Whoosh. All right, guys. So my two first shots, I got one of them right in the cheek. There was one right in the cheek, and then the other one I got him, I think, right around the chest area. Shoot him in the dick. We got Robin Hood. He's gonna shoot my FNS 9, bro. He's gonna take 2 shots, and we're gonna go ahead and check what he shot. Yeah, go get behind the green, bro. Ready when you are, baby. He's fire.
Get back. Rob. Remember?
Oh, I think you got the headshot.
Oh yeah, that's Ray.
And
got-
a body shot.
He got this one and then this one. Good shit. Good shit, bro.
Lined up.
All right, we got Robbie Rob shooting his Glock 19 with an extendo. Shooter ready. Okay. Damn, Robbie Rob's lethal as fuck. Look at that. From far, bro. I'm pretty sure you guys can see it. Kinda. He got a few headshots on there, bro. Holy shit. Glock 23. It's a 40 cal. It's my boy's Lucid Dreams gun. So
She's ready for you.
we're gonna try to hit 2 shots. Guys, we're gonna take 2 shots and then we're gonna go check. I'm gonna aim for 8 shots. So let's go ahead and do it. Oh, malfunction. It's alright. Nothing to worry about. We're just gonna clock this bitch back up. Make sure it goes in there.
Where? Here's good, clear.
Nice. And I missed the. Wait, I think I got him in the fucking the right side, right?
Yeah, you
On-
got him
on
on
the
the
eyeglass?
right shoulder.
Really? I thought it was the eyeglass, bro. The right side eyeglass. Let's go see.
Hold on.
We're out here trying out our accuracy. We're not trying to compete. We're just trying to get our accuracy a lot better, get our shots a lot better, and get shots that count, guys. So we're doing pretty good, doing awesome. We're gonna shoot a few more rounds off the pistols, and then we're gonna move on to the AR-15, guys. So stay tuned. Rob shooting my baby. Let's see how it does. Good shit, baby. Let's go, baby. Lucid Dreams with my FNS 9, baby. What the? Let it rip, baby. Good shit.
Few moments later.
All right, guys. So we have bad news. Robin Hood's AR didn't work as we expected. It had a few malfunctions, but we're just gonna go ahead and shoot some more 9mm rounds at these targets. All right, guys. So we got Robbie Rob unleashing the Kimbo on this bitch. He's gonna aim at the blue one, guys. My ammo's right there. So we're gonna take these last shots because that's it for us. We're about to get kicked out, but yeah, let's go ahead and take these last shots, guys. We're putting everything together. We just got kicked out, but if you guys like this video, we're gonna go ahead and do it as many times as you guys want. We can do it next weekend. We can do it whenever you guys want, guys. And yeah, did y'all have fun? First time shooting as a crew. Fuck yeah, guys.
It was accurate. That's what I was happy about. I was actually accurate.
Yeah, it was fucking fun, guys. Laredo Rifle Pistol Club. Make sure you guys get your membership.